Hi there, Todd here from Nanaimo Photography, where quality media inspires fruitful conversations. Our industry has come a long way from the old MLS paper catalogs. Nanaimo Photography is here to help you become a multimedia marketing genius. Once I've captured the media, edited, sequenced, formatted, and packaged it, now it's in your hands. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the quick way to retrieve your media and another way that you may never have discovered yet. Let's take a look. All right, here we have your email from Nanaimo Photography saying that the media is ready. The first thing you can do is click on this button right here that says Download Media. Easy peasy. Now, I'm going to come back to that a little bit later because just below that is a room for notes. Now, the notes usually say the same thing about, here's your media, it's complete, ready for download, go to the downloads, all that sort of thing. But when you see asterisks there under your name, don't forget to look here for important notes. When things aren't completely normal and straightforward, I will explain why right here. So even though sometimes it says the same thing over and over again, take a look for that and see if there's any important notes. Now, below that is a link to go straight to download your media. That's fantastic. That's the quickest way to get your photos and get started with your MLS listing. But let's just continue on for now. In this case, the agent has chosen to have the marketing kit, and there's a link here to go right to the marketing kit page. And then the next section is website links. So if you want to publish the iGuide player, or in this case with the marketing kit, there's a property site. In this case, there's a property video. All the links will be listed right here for you to copy and paste so that you can get those up on social media right away. There's also a property owner preview, and the link to that, you can copy the link and send that to your client if you want to share with them the media that we have taken. Now, sometimes your client is going to have questions. Well, why did we do this? Or can you get rid of the picture of the garage because it's all cluttered? I don't want people to see my garage. I'll leave that up to you. I think it's a good thing to be open with them and show them what we've done and get them excited about the whole process. Next is share on social media. So when you click on this, it is immediately going to open up your Facebook page or whichever media you choose, and it is going to put that media right there so that you can say, hey, check out my new listing. And within seconds, you can have this up on your social media site. Pretty cool, huh? And now the last is this part that I said you may have never discovered, access your account. If you click on access your account, it is going to go to your account page. Here you are on your account page. So it'll show you things. It'll go right to your dashboard. It'll say you can order a photo shoot now if you have another one coming up. It'll show that this particular person has 17 property sites that they've done with 20,000 lifetime hits, which is pretty awesome. You can go into your account to check on billing, and you can see all the different sites that you have in a different format. But right here, I'm going to go down to this particular site, and I'm just going to click on it. This is 1139 College Drive. It's my old house. I really miss it. So here we go, clicking on College Drive, and here is the page that comes up. So this listing is now live. It'll, if it's up on MLS or up on social media, there'll be site traffic. It'll show you how many views you've had in recent days. But I want to draw your attention here to the left side. So site media. So this is where all of the photos and the downloads live. So you can actually add an attachment to your listing if you want through this. And the site data gives you an opportunity to add the MLS number, the listing price. It'll allow you to confirm the bedrooms and bathrooms. It'll allow you to input the square footage. And the square footage is super important because you may have booked it saying, hey, this is a 2,400 square foot house. But when I measured it, I may have come up with 2,437 square feet, and you might need to refine that here. You can input the lot size, the year built, all these different pieces of information in here. So this is the way to get all of this extra data onto your listing. And then farther down, you can access the marketing kit, which you may have pre-ordered, or in this case, the agent did pre-order. And so all the information will be there. So let's get back to your email here. So accessing your account gives you the path to get all of the information on this listing and all of your other listings that you may have had. But the first thing is, of course, you can just go straight to the download media page. And here we are where after you read and accept the copyright license, you will get to the Media Download Center, which gives you first of all, the embedded media. Embedded media just means that there is a URL or a website link. So the iGuide player has a URL. And if you're very sophisticated with your website marketing, then you can get an embed code. So if you don't know what that is, you probably don't need it. But embed codes are available for the iGuide player or the iGuide player for MLS. And whenever I say for MLS, I mean unbranded. So it's not going to flash your face on there or identify Nanaimo Photography as the creator. It is just cleaned of all that. Now, in talking with Vyreb, they don't seem to mind if you have an outside link that is branded. They care that you don't have branding on the photos that are posted to the photo gallery, but you check and do whatever is appropriate for you. Here you can download all photos in their original size. The larger photos are higher resolution, and that's fantastic, but the MLS size play better on MLS and on your social media because they will load quicker, and they're plenty big for that purpose. You also have the option to create a custom size in case your website has certain size images that it wants. So by downloading all the photos, if you click on that, it is going to create a zip file in your downloads, and then you have to unzip that file in order to retrieve all of the photos therein. You can download individual photos in the next section here, because maybe you want this photo, and another one immediately to do something with, to create a brochure, whatever you want, and then you just click original size or MLS right here. Easy peasy. And then you get to the download floor plans just below that, and these ones are just JPEG images. They can go in your photo gallery with your photos, but a little bit further down, you have the measurement document, and the measurement document is that PDF that you will want to add as an attachment to your MLS listing because it'll have the floor plans and all the measurements, total square footage, and the explanation of how those numbers are derived by iGuide. And in this case, with the marketing kit having been selected, you can take a look at the marketing kit assets straight from here. So there you go. Don't forget to check out the tutorial about using the marketing kit, because that is where you can take your property marketing to the next level. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out.